Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. My name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you for supporting us. Valentine's is coming right around the corner, so we thought we'd show you guys how to do a heart-shaped Celtic knot. Now I've done a Celtic knot before. You can click right here to check it out.
So let's get started.
This style will take about 3 to 7 minutes depending on the length of hair and texture. I went ahead and sectioned off the top of her hair into a ponytail. I'm going to put a little bit of gel and wet her hair down. Anything I mentioned in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Okay, you want to split the ponytail in the middle. Put this to the side. You take this left strand and you want to make a loop. So when you make a loop that's big enough for your fingers to get through. So make it about this big, if not bigger. Take the right strand, hold it with your pinky, bring it over your palm and right in forward her face. Okay? Now you're going to take this, see this space right here? You're going to take your 2 fingers and bring that strand right through. Okay, so take this strand, bring it to the side to get it out of the way. Now go underneath this split right here. Go through this loop and grab that strand that you put aside. Grab it with your fingers, bring it right through. The next step is this strand is going to go right through this loop right here. See? So take this strand and bring it right through this loop. Before you let your fingers go, make sure you tighten out your strands. So now go ahead and let your fingers go through. And look it, you've created a Celtic knot. So now you're going to take this left strand over the right strand and you're just going to create a knot. And now you're going to take this strand here. You can have a topsy tail or you could do it with your fingers. You want to take that strand and put it right through this loop right here. And now you just created a heart. Go ahead and tighten that up a little bit. And then take the arch of your heart, pull it out. And if you have active little girls, you could go ahead and take the strands that dropped, these 2 right here, by using a little piece from the back of her hair, back here, just to give it some support. And then secure it off with an elastic band. I'm gonna go do that to show you. I'm going to stick bobby pins right here just to hold it in place. And then just tweak it till you're satisfied with it. Just a little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you find value in this tutorial.
If there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, leave a comment down below.
Check out more of our tutorials. Click on over there and over there.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
Until next time,
learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys.
Bye. God bless.